Samsung hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, but leaks and rumors are already giving us a pretty good idea of what to expect from the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. If you've been keeping an eye on Samsung's foldable lineup, you might be wondering how this model will compare to last year's Galaxy Z Fold 6 and whether it's worth the upgrade. Based on what's been circulating, it looks like Samsung is making a few key refinements rather than reinventing the wheel. One of the most significant rumored changes is in the design. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 already slimmed down compared to the Fold 5, but Samsung might take it a step further. Reports suggest the Z Fold 7 could be as thin as 8.6mm when closed, which would be about a 30% reduction in thickness from the Fold 6. If true, that would put it in line with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, making it one of the slimmest foldables Samsung has ever made. A thinner and lighter design would make the phone more comfortable to carry and use, especially for those who prefer a more compact feel when the device is closed. Another rumored change involves the edges of the phone. Instead of the sharper corners found on the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the Fold 7 could feature more rounded edges, similar to what we've seen on recent Galaxy S Ultra models. This change might not seem like a big deal on paper, but in practice, it could make a noticeable difference in how the phone feels in hand. A more comfortable grip, especially when using the phone one-handed, is always a welcome improvement. Samsung might also be taking some cues from the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which was released exclusively in Korea and China. If that's the case, we could see slightly larger displays. The rumored specs suggest an 8-inch inner display and a 6.5-inch outer display, both of which are a bit bigger than the 7.6-inch and 6.3-inch screens found on the Fold 6. A larger display could improve the overall viewing experience, making it more immersive for watching videos, gaming, and multitasking. Another exciting possibility is the introduction of a display with no visible crease. Samsung's display division recently showcased a foldable panel that eliminates the crease, which has been a common complaint among users of previous Galaxy Fold models. If this technology makes its way into the Z Fold 7, it could be a game changer for the foldable experience, providing a smoother and more seamless look. However, there's no confirmation yet on whether this innovation will be ready in time for this year's model. Cameras have never been the main selling point of Samsung's foldables, but that might change this year. One of the biggest leaks suggests the Fold 7 could ditch the 50-megapixel main sensor and upgrade to a massive 200-megapixel camera, similar to what's found on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If true, this would be a significant improvement, allowing for much sharper photos, better low-light performance, and overall improved image quality. The rumored camera setup includes a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens, a 10-megapixel front selfie camera, and a 4-megapixel under-display camera for the inner screen. While the under-display camera might not see major improvements, the main sensor upgrade alone would be a huge step forward, bringing the Fold's photography capabilities closer to Samsung's flagship Ultra models. In terms of performance, Samsung's foldables typically use the same chipset found in that year's Galaxy S series, so it's likely that the Fold 7 will feature the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same chip powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This should provide a noticeable performance boost over the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 used in the Fold 6, offering better efficiency, faster processing speeds, and improved AI capabilities. However, some rumors suggest that Samsung may use its in-house Exynos 2500 chip in certain regions, similar to how it has handled Galaxy S models in the past. If that's the case, we could see different versions of the Fold 7 depending on the market. Battery and charging capabilities don't seem to be changing much, at least based on current leaks. The Fold 7 is expected to retain the same 4,400 mAh battery as the Fold 6, along with 25 DOE wired and 15 DOE wireless charging speeds. While Samsung has made improvements in battery efficiency through software optimizations and chipset advancements, it's a bit disappointing that there aren't any significant upgrades in this area. Many users were hoping for faster charging speeds or a slightly larger battery to help extend the phone's lifespan on a single charge. On the software side, the Fold 7 is expected to launch with One UI 7, Samsung's latest software update. This means it will come with all the AI-powered features introduced in the Galaxy S25 lineup, including Now Brief, which provides personalized daily updates, Sketch-to-Image for AI-generated artwork, and Portrait Studio for enhanced portrait editing. Samsung may also introduce new AI-driven tools specifically for foldables, but there haven't been any leaks confirming that yet. Looking at all the rumored changes, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 appears to be more of an evolution rather than a complete redesign. Samsung seems to be focusing on making the device thinner and lighter while improving the camera setup and overall user experience. If you're using a Fold 5 or an older model, the upgrades might be tempting, especially if the 200-megapixel camera and thinner design appeal to you. However, if you already have a Fold 6, the differences might not be significant enough to justify an upgrade unless you really want the latest and greatest. Samsung is expected to officially reveal the Galaxy Z Fold 7 this summer, so we won't have to wait too much longer to see what's in store. Until then, all we can do is speculate based on the leaks and rumors that continue to surface. So, what are your thoughts? Are the rumored upgrades enough to get you excited, or are you hoping for something more? Let's talk about it. Until then, peace out.